Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing about question number 3 in NCERT chapter 1 sets. So the third question tells here, write the following sets in Rooster form. So in my first video I discussed about different varieties of representing a set. So it happens in two forms. So one is in Rooster form, the other one is in set builder form. So Rooster form is also called as tabular form and the second one is called as a set builder form. So a link will be put in the description box. So if you have any difficulty in differentiating between how to write it in Rooster form and set builder form in detail, you can check out my previous video. So as of now, I'll explain how to go forth about finding an answer for these questions to convert the given questions into Rooster form. So the first question is, set A is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and the value of x less than or equal to minus 3 less than 7. So here in the first one is already given in set builder form. I have to convert it into tabular form. So tabular form, how do I write my set? Set, everybody know it will be represented in a capital letter. Elements inside the set will be represented in smaller letters separated by comma. Here we are given a range of x for the first one. I think you can see my cursor moving. The value of x lies uh, from minus 3 to 7. So you can see this inequality symbol. Please bear in mind, if there is a lesser than or equal to symbol or a greater than or equal to symbol, you will include that particular number whichever is having that lesser than or equal to or greater than or equal to symbol. Similarly, if you only have less than symbol or a greater than symbol, you will exclude that number, which means you will not include that number. So since I have given a value range here as x less than or equal to minus 3 less than 7, and one more condition is the value of x here is an integer. We know integers are all positive numbers, negative numbers along with a 0. Correct? So here we have to write set of integers given the range where the value of x is less than or equal to minus 3 less than 7. So how will I write the values? So your values would be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how we write the set in Rooster form or tabular form. Since it is an integer and there is a lesser than or equal to symbol with regard to minus 3, so I am including a minus 3 here. Okay. Since there is only a lesser than symbol with regard to my 7 here, with x less than 7, I am excluding my 7 and only including till 6. Hope everybody has followed this concept. Second one, for the second one, here, second one we have x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So we have the second set which is already given to us in set builder form. I will write it in tabular form or Rooster form. Here the value of x is a natural number less than 6. Okay. So value of x is a natural number. So everybody know what is a natural number. It is all countable numbers starting from 1. So from 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. These are all countable numbers. How many ever numbers you can count are called as our natural numbers. So the condition here is natural number less than 6. So what would be my set of elements inside the set B? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. My set closes here because they are telling only natural numbers less than 6. So less than 6. Will I include 6? No, right? I will not include 6. So therefore my set stops at 5. Yeah. Now I'll come to the third sub question. Third sub question is with regard to my set C. X such that X is a two-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is 8. So here the condition is with regard to digits. When you add any two-digit number, my sum should be equal to 8. So for example, I'll give you an example. I have 17. 17 is a two-digit number. If I add 1 and 7, am I getting my sum as 8? I have to get combination of numbers like this, which will give you sum of two-digit numbers, in the sense place the number in the units digit and the number in the tens digit. When I add them both together, I will get the sum as 8. So likewise, how many numbers are there? Two-digit numbers. So I can start with 17. 1 plus 7 will give me 8. 26. 6 plus 2 will give me 8. 35. Again it will give me a sum of 8. 44. 4 plus 4 is 8. 53. 5 plus 3 is also 8. 62. 6 plus 2 is also 8. 71 is also 8, right? 71. 7 plus 1 is equal to 2. And similarly, I can tell 8 and 0 would give me my sum to be equal to 8. Now you can all check with other two-digit numbers as well. But as of now, I have calculated and found out that I would be getting a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers whose two digits, if I add, my sum will be equal to 8. Hope this is followed. We'll go to the fourth one. So before that, I'll just erase my screen so that it will be easier for me to work out uh, my fourth problem. So my fourth set here is set D. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So everybody know what are divisors? A number which divides 60. Yes, so a number which divides 60 and it should be a prime number. So everybody know what is a prime number? If you do not know, I will just explain or just tell you the definition of a prime number. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so prime numbers. So can I give you, I'll give you the answer for this, and then maybe if you still do not understand, I will just explain it. So 2 is a prime number. Similarly, 3 is also a prime number. 5 is also a prime number. So if I divide 2 and 60, obviously my remainder will be 0. Similarly, 3 is also a prime number. If I divide 3 and 60, again my remainder is 0. Similarly, 5 is also a prime number. If I divide 5 by 60, my remainder is 0. So, I think this justifies my question, and whatever answer I've written, it also justifies my question. So, D is equal to 2, 3 and 5. So, these are the three prime numbers which are the divisors of 60. Yes. Now we come to the fifth one. Fifth one is nothing but set E. Set of all letters of the word trigonometry. Yes. So this trigonometry is given in capital letter. So there is one of the rules in trigonometry which says that elements or alphabets, yeah, which are given in the set, which are given in a word, okay, which has to be converted into a set, cannot be repeated. So I have this as trigonometry, T-R-Y, correct? So if I have to convert and write this in the form of a set, elements which are getting repeated will be written only once. So therefore, I will write this as T. See here, T is getting repeated twice. So I will write this as once but in lower case, because inside the set elements are written in lower case. Then again I find two R's. So I'll write R once. I have one I. I have one G, but see here, O's are repeated twice. So I'll write one O, one N, one M, one E, yeah, one Y. Hope this is followed to everyone. Please bear in mind, in set theory, if you are converting it into Rooster form or tabular form and a word is given to you, if elements are getting repeated or letters inside that word is getting repeated, you will consider that letter once. Hope this example, in the form of an example, this concept is clear to you all. We come to the last question of this part. I have set F is equal to set of all letters in the word better. So the same concept, I'll just erase my screen so that, yeah, it will be much more easier for me to explain. So the sixth one depends upon the concept of the previous question. So I have set F is equal to, there is a word better, yeah. So better, if I have to convert this in the form of a rooster, here T is getting repeated twice, E is getting repeated twice. So what have I told you? Any letter getting repeated will be considered once. So I will write this as B, E, T and R. And whatever elements are written inside will always be in lowercase. Hope this question is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to me to my email address, which I have already provided. If you want, again, I will be providing it in my description box. Please do comment and give me your comments or opinions about what more videos I should be making rather than first year PUC NCERT. Please be thorough with your concepts. For more such videos for your concepts to be thorough, please stay tuned and be more consistent in studying. Thank you. Bye.